Is your view that value investing as a category has A, gone out of style, and B, is it riskier or safer than growth investing?
No, I think that value investing is, first of all, the distinction is a little bit artificial, and it's not. And anyway, it's certainly not black-white. Value investing means making investments based on the current characteristics and attributes and assets and values of the company. And growth investing means investing primarily on the basis of the potential and what it might look like 10 years from now, 5 years from now, 20 years from now. Clearly, it is, everything else being equal, it's less risky to invest on the basis of things that exist today than on the basis of things that might exist in 10 years. There's no question about that. However, I say it's not that clear-cut because the value of the things that exist today is largely attributable to what they'll produce, especially in terms of cash flow, over the next X years. So you can't divorce yourself from thinking about the future. So people say, well, value investing is about the present and growth investing about the future. But you can't divest yourself of thinking about the future because let's say you want to buy a factory that makes XYZ. You don't buy it for the bricks and the steel and the real estate. You buy it for its ability to produce a product that makes money. So there have to be some judgments about the future irregardless. The question really is the relative weighting. So you buy, look, back in the 99 period, people bought stocks of companies that had an idea, no product, no clients, no revenues, no profits. That was an extreme case, and most of those worked out very badly. But clearly, the people who invested in eBay or Facebook or some of these have made a lot of money. And now one of my favorite quote from a fortune cookie. I actually found a fortune cookie one time that said, "The cautious seldom err or write great poetry." and so for the most part, the value investor thinks of himself as not erring so much, and the growth investor as writing great poetry.
Okay, so Seth got the title right in some sense.
Yeah, I think that's right.
Okay.